CEO of Shiba Inu will send Shib to $10. Shib updates returning to wealthy coins. Howdy mate. With the biggest percentage drop this year, the Shiba Inu price is seeing more volatility. By combining technical indicators with classical price action methodologies, this analysis allows traders to predict whether the market will be bullish or bearish. The price of Shiba Inu saw its worst red day of the year with an 11% decline on the digital meme coin. The approaching price action of the token is determined by its proximity to a previously established trend line. Traders should brace themselves for a steeper drop if the bulls fail to offer support at the present level. Watch this video to find out how the CEO of Shiba Inu plans to send Shib to $10 in the next few hours. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get the video started. The current price of a Shiba Inu is 0.000012134. Daily, the bears are trying to form a candlestick close below the simple moving average of the past 21 days. This would mark the beginning of the end for the general uptrend that started in the final week of December if it were to be successful. That being said, the rise could very well persist, with a bullish divergence from the last consolidation zone near 0.0001050. The current price is returning to levels of support according to the Relative Strength Index (RSI). The entire upswing is vulnerable to liquidation if the RSI falls below the 40 levels. The August high at 0.0001800 is the next important target for bulls. If Shib reaches this level, its price would rise 45% from where it is now. Instead, the bears who bought near the present swing high of 0.0001575 will probably start adding to their positions if the RSI falls below 40. This could lead to a stampede of sellers aiming for the 0.000000780 level, which was the starting point of Shib's winter rally. According to the pessimistic outlook, the current Shiba Inu price could fall by 36%, while on a wild buying binge for millions of dollars worth of Shiba Inu tokens. A new piece of data from the blockchain search engine Etherscan shows that Jump Trading, a trading firm based in Chicago, has witnessed an exponential growth in its Shib holdings, from 250,000 on February 4th to just over 130.7 billion. The acquisition of the meme token with a dog motif gives Jump Trading, renowned as one of the smallest hedge firms, almost $1,700,000 in Shib. The platform is responsible for managing assets of approximately $150 million, as stated in its most recent earnings report. Having said that, the article goes on to say that Jump Trading might have more assets than disclosed does, including cash and real estate, which aren't publicly known. Shiba Inu prices have dropped, prompting the hedge fund to go on an acquisition binge. From its 7-day high of 0.0000015 to its current price of 0.0000013, the Dogecoin competitor has dropped around 4% in the last 24 hours. In 2023, whale activity centered around, according to crypto analytics firm Santiment. This is because it has surpassed Ethereum as the second largest altcoin holding among whales. A staggering $50,905,707,716,073 Shib, or slightly more, over $735 million, is now held by the 500 largest Ethereum holders on the planet, as reported by Santiment. The pace at which the entire supply of Shiba Inu tokens is depleted is known as the burn rate. Token burn does this by sending some tokens to a public address that does not have the private key. As a result, fewer tokens will be available for purchase and use. A typical stock with a limited quantity would have been the model for Shib's first token distribution. The project's creators hid half of the token's quantity and burnt half of them to prevent their inflation. The burn rate of Shib has dropped dramatically in the last several months, according to statistics from Glass. The rate dropped from above 8% in December 2021 to a mere 3% in January 2023. A number of variables, such as the massive sale of Shib tokens and the unlocking of additional tokens from the locked supply, have probably contributed to this decline in the burn rate, from more than 20 million Shib tokens burned to just 2,050,000 The burn rate for Shib fell 99.13% in the past day. Evidence from the Shib burn experiment supports this. In spite of this drop, the burn rate's overall performance relative to the Shib price is still poor. Investors might be losing faith in Shib for a number of reasons. A major factor is the recent token sell-off, which caused values to drop from their all-time high. Some traders may have decided to take their money and run as a result of this. Rising levels of competitiveness in the DeFi market also have a role. An overwhelming amount of DeFi initiatives have emerged in the past few months, all featuring their own distinct token. The focus on Shib and other initiatives can be diverted by this heightened competitiveness. Lastly, the long-term viability of Shib's business strategy might worry some traders. The creators of the project have already said that they intend to use some of the restricted token supply to finance more development, but some are worried about the project's long-term viability and money generation capabilities. The value of Shiba Inu tokens can be increased by reducing their circulation by burning. The level of burning required to achieve the 0.001 price, though, presents a formidable obstacle. With a present market valuation of $5,810,000,000 and 549.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, a reduction of the token supply to $5,800,000,000,000 is necessary to attain a price of the future Shiba. The future Shibarium Layer 2 solution and Shiba Swap portals might burn up to 88.8 trillion Shiba tokens per year, according to Shiba Queenie, a moderator on the Shiba Inu Discord. Following this forecast, we should be able to achieve the target price in about 6 years. Nevertheless, accomplishing this objective might not be as simple as it appears. Aiming to burn 90% of Shib tokens is an unachievable aim, according to Shiba Inu's top developer, Archangel. To get to $0.00, almost all of the tokens in circulation would have to be burned. In addition, in contrast to Shib tokens, the value of Ryoshi's vision, the medium of exchange for Shiba Inu tokens, is lower. The incentives for burning tokens to reduce their supply are called into question by this. Although Shib's burn rate has recently decreased, the token's future is still unclear. Both the project's continued success and its eventual oblivion from the cryptocurrency scene are within the realm of possibility. The Shib token's popularity might see a comeback if its creators are able to overcome the obstacles they're facing and keep inventing. Nevertheless, a lot of work will have to go into this. Funding and a well-defined plan for the project's progression. In preparation for its release, whales have been accumulating bone. Because of this, the asset's value has been rising. With a 101% increase since the start of the year, Bone's value has more than quadrupled. Huobi has now added Bone Shiba Swap to its official page for digital assets. Similarly, a possible listing was argued for. On the main page, the options to trade and deposit were highlighted. In addition, the project introduction, token details, and relevant links are each given their own sections. The Bone page is accessible via the deposit option. Nevertheless, it appeared to be idle and had no content. Consequently, neither trading nor the exchange has formally acknowledged Bone's listing. An army of Shiba Inus has been patiently waiting for Bones' listing for what seems like an eternity. The exchange posted a photo of a Shiba Inu puppy decked out in red in the middle of December last year to celebrate the holiday spirit. Speculation about a possible Bones listing quickly gained traction among those in the know. Now that the most recent page has gone live, it appears that the exchange is definitely getting ready for the same. We are finished for the day. If you enjoyed this and want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.